Compared to Syrian or Roman archers, the Nuragic ones seem far more mobile. The quiver's position behind the face and neck likely aided in moving through bushes without hindrance. Notably, Sardara archers have their quivers tilted on their shoulders. This tilt allows faster arrow retrieval, unlike traditional vertical quivers for longer arrows. These were likely ambush archers or mobile combat specialists. There are still depictions and even photographs of tribal combat from the early 1900s or late 1800s. It was a dynamic style of fighting, with warriors spread across the terrain, engaging from afar until someone decided to charge directly. This aligns with pre-Roman Italian tribal armies. These small bands of warriors founded villages, moved around, and were often just a handful of fighters. The Villanovan culture, contemporary to Nuragic warriors, had few well-armed noble fighters, poorly equipped support troops, and single warriors who stood out in battle. Consider the depictions of bronze figurines with full archer or warrior armor, or the statues of Monte Prano. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video on. Stay tuned for more videos on Nuragic civilization, Sardinia archaeology, and fencing. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. See you next time.